Well, didn't have any human beings handy today, so I've got my trusty animal companion, Bunny Rabbit. Bunny Rabbit, would you hold on to this prediction? Keep it in plain view. Thank you very much. He doesn't say much, but he's very smart. Now, Bunny Rabbit, look, I want to show you. I have some cards here. You can see they're pretty mixed up. Just like me, mixed up, right? But I want you to give the cards a riffle shuffle just to be sure. Now, if the magician does it, people get suspicious. They don't trust magicians, and magicians have this reputation for being sneaky, and a well-deserved one, I might add. What's that? Oh, you don't know how to shuffle? All right, well, I'll do it for you, and this is what it would be like if you or a spectator did. Oh, that's the real McCoy, isn't it? Look at that. Yes. Now, nobody could possibly know the order of these cards. And as a matter of fact, trust everybody, but always cut the cards. Now, it's time for the prediction, Bunny, that you've been holding the whole time. What is that? You can't read? Okay, you can't shuffle, you can't read. That's okay, you're still a great rabbit. So I'll read it. It says, after you shuffle the cards, we will turn over the cards one at a time, starting from the top of the deck. If a card is black, the next card will always be red. If a card is red, the next card will always be black. Although you yourself shuffled the cards, Bunny, or at least your proxy did today, and despite a 50-50 chance that whenever a red card is turned over, the next card will be black, and that whenever a black card is turned over, the next card will be red, that will never happen. Not once will there ever be two cards. Will there ever be two cards of the same color in a row? Now, that's a pretty bold prediction, isn't it? Especially since you yourself shuffled the cards and the cards were cut. Now, let's put it to the test, because I myself do not even believe this. Let's turn over the first one. If that prediction's correct, then the next card cannot be a black card, because it will never be of the same color. Well, so far so good. I guess you want a little bit more empirical evidence than that, though, don't you? Yes, you're a very scientific bunny. Let's turn over the next one. That's a black card, okay? Let's kind of get it on screen here. Professor Bessie does that a lot of times too, realizes he's off camera. Now this should be a red card if the prediction's right, and it is. The next card is a black card. Surely this one must be a black one. But no, it's a red one. The next card is a red one. Well, if the prediction's right, this has to be black. It can't be red. And indeed, that is the case. Well, this is just phenomenal. That one's black. The next one's red. I mean, these are 50-50 chances. You shuffled the cards yourself. I mean, this can't be happening. Black. Red. Boy, I might be able to retire if I make this a little game I play in the taverns or whatever. Next one is red. That's black. So far, the prediction is 100% correct. Let's kind of cut to the chase a little faster here. Black, red, red, black, black. Now, if this one's black, that's going to break the prediction. But no, it doesn't. It's red, it's black, it's black, it's red. It's black, it's red, it's black, it's red, black, red, black, red, black, red, red, black. You got to be kidding. Black, red, black, red, red, black, black, red, red, black, red, black. I just cannot believe this. This is more astonishing than anything I've ever seen. Hold your applause, Bunny. Oh, you are. Okay, but I can tell you're impressed. Well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed our little experiment today for all of our viewers at home and in the state of Idaho. Take care now. Bye-bye from me and Bunny.